Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get the sound from someone else's TikTok to use on your video on your PC or MacBook. First I'll go into the TikTok app, and for instance I want the sound from this video here. You'll select original sound, then after you have selected that, you're going to select the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select copy URL. Or if you were signed into TikTok on your Google Chrome, that would make it even easier. You would just copy the URL. Then you want to search for MP3 converter TikTok. And then I'll select the one at the top right here. And then you're simply going to paste the link that you copied. Then press download. And then you'll simply press download MP3. And here is the sound now. So now you can record your video and then you can add the sound to it by simply using Windows Movie Maker, or you can use iMovie, whichever. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.